Welcome to the second episode of Building Nodify, and on the last episode I managed to roll out auth using passport strategy on the back end and next auth on the front end. So what happens is that the front end will send user credentials to the back end, and the back end will validate those user credentials. If the user credentials are valid, then the back end will generate an access token, send it back to the front end, and the front end will store that access token in a session. So today I'm going to focus on user management, right? So when an organization or company signs up on the platform, they have to add or invite their employees so that they can join the platform and start using the organization resources within the platform. So that's what I'm going to focus on today. And the main focus is creating database schemas to handle that logic, and also creating endpoints to invite users and an endpoint to accept an invite. And on the front end, I want to display all the invites that were created and also display all the users that are active or inactive in that organization. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this episode. So cheers, let's get straight into it. So I'm done working on the back end, and I have a couple of endpoints that are ready to be consumed by the front end. So the first endpoint that I have is sending out an invite. Then I have accept invite, get invite, validate invite, get organization invites, get organization members. So right now I'm going to start working on the front end. I want to consume this API on the front end so that I can display all the organization members or employees, and also display organization invites, and also send out invite and accept invite from the front end. So yeah, let me start working on the front end. So currently right now my front end is looking good, and I am able to view all the users that are available within an organization, and also view all the invites that were sent out to employees. So with this button over here, when I click it, I want to display like a model with a form, and that form will consist of all the fields that you need in order for you to create like an invite, right? So I haven't worked on that functionality. So yeah, so far so good. So far so good. So I'm feeling a bit tired right now, and I don't think I'll be able to finish up all the tasks that I had to work on today. But at least I have something working. Like I have my backend working, like inviting employees from the backend, accepting an invite, displaying all the organization invites and organization users. But the only pending task that I have is on the front end. So currently on the front end, I can display all the organization users and the invites as well. So I was currently working on inviting employees, but I won't be able to finish that because a friend of mine invited me to his place for a couple of drinks, and he's 10 minutes away. But you'll get to see that like on the next episode. So for now, let me just call it a day. Let me go have fun. Forget about writing code. Forget about uh, thinking of logics and everything like related to Nodify. So yeah, I'll see you on the next episode.